In this video, I'm going to show you a quick, easy, and efficient way to drag out the dirt in your yard. It's going to level out your dirt, it's going to bring the grass and rocks to the surface so you can rake it away. And I'm going to show you right now where we've already worked the dirt and where we haven't yet. We've only drugged this 2 passes and I'll show you the difference. The dirt with the drag twice, and as I pan to the right, you're going to see where we have not went over the area with the drag yet. Now right here in the middle where we haven't touched, it's actually rutted out. Some of the ruts are about 2.5 inches deep, but we'll go over that with the drag about 3 times and that will completely level it out. So here is the drag. It's just a piece of chain link fence. Now you're going to want a piece that is at least 4 feet wide, at least 4 feet long. That would be minimum. And then to have the metal tube in the back, that actually helps smooth it out as well. And you can use whatever you have laying around the house for some weight. And then you just simply drag it around over your dirt area. With a lawnmower seems to work the best. Here's a view of the front of the drag. Now if we had a bigger area, I would actually wire all the weights right to the drag. If you do a little bit bigger area, they tend to vibrate off. But if you have some wire, go ahead and wire them to the drag and you can do a bigger area. So this whole area is about 700 square feet. It took us less than 20 minutes to get this all leveled and graded out. Now it's time for grass seed. Hope you guys found this video helpful and informational, and thanks for watching.